Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're looking at the APEC water reverse osmosis system. Now, as you can see right here, the water actually goes through a multi-stage filtration system, and that is the RO system right there. And over here on the right, we have a tank. Now, this tank is made of very high quality material. It's super strong, also has a great capacity. You can see it holds a lot right there. And then the other piece is just the faucet. And I've been very impressed actually at just how nice of an aesthetic appeal this faucet has. It has that chrome plated finish on it. The handle is super nice and strong, and I've been very impressed with the overall quality of this reverse osmosis system, and for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.